Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make coffee using AeroPress. So AeroPress has been around for a long time, and this is one of my favorite way to make coffee at work. And they're so easy. Don't get me wrong, I love espresso, but something about AeroPress, very clean and they're really tasty. So I got the recipe from, let's say, European Coffee Trip, the YouTube channel. So this is their 2017, the winning, the AeroPress Championship recipe. So I'm really looking forward to try recipe out. So let's get going. First, I'm gonna heat up some hot water. I'm gonna set it 180. First, I'm going to rinse out the AeroPress paper. So this paper, I just used it, a couple of weeks ago. I rinsed it and washed it. I mean, according to AeroPress, I can use 3 more times on this one. So I'm just going to put it in here, and I'm just gonna wash it. Actually, not wash it, but just clean it. I'm just gonna soak it with the hot water, get all the old flavor out. But meantime, the recipe called for 35 gram, the coarser setting. I'm gonna be using my Good Brothers coffee. So this is India. This beans from India. So it's called cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla flavor. So it's gonna be good. We are going to do inverted method. So what I'm gonna do is, the water is ready to go now. I'm going to add 150 gram of water here. I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to wait about 30 seconds. I'm going to press down gently. Should last about a minute or so. And press for a minute and a half. At this point, I'm going to add another 160 gram. You know what, let's do 170. There we go. So coffee is ready, so let's try this. So I got my not neutral milk here. So here we go, let's try. So I'm really excited about this. This is like a world championship recipe, so really excited about this. Cheers. Smells really good. Definitely cinnamony. Wow. It's fantastic. The great thing about the AeroPress is very clean taste. And then if you don't like, if your cup is a little strong, only thing you gotta do is just add some hot water in it. So I mean, you can actually control the flavor of the coffee. And this one is really nice. I mean, very pleasant, very clean. This is a fantastic drink. Also, the best part about the AeroPress is cleanup, okay? Because just simply take the top off, and you are going to push up like this, so as you can see from here, and pretty much it, okay? And then so what I've been doing is, last few times I just take the sheet out and I just clean this for next time use, so you know, save some environment. Anyway, so this is, I mean, so AeroPress is so easy, and man, I'm telling you, this is fantastic device. So whenever I go on camping trip, I do have some other options, but I always go back to AeroPress. Anyway, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comment, down below as well. And make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.